Hey guys,
welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some coffee, and of course we're going to add creamers. Yeah, that smells like coffee because we just made some earlier. So first you want to take your coffee machine and let's get the camera you want to plug it in. And when it's blinking, that means it's on. We'll take this, put it right there. Now we need to go. Now pause the video, Colton, because we gotta go to the store.
first cup of water
Yep,
you can pour in there.
Okay, this little thing right here, that's blocking where the filter goes. So you need to take that, take a coffee filter, just gonna want to put it in. I just put it in. Make sure this is still over the hole, or else it ain't gonna work. Put your thing right here. You're gonna press brew now.
And
now
then
we
watch it
wait.
brew. Now let's wait.
Now guys, you're gonna get scared by this sound. Do not worry. It is just the water boiling at the top. Look. On the inside, Colton. See? It's boiling the water.
Yeah, for the water can make hot.
And so look, show diagram of inside. See? It's putting water in there, and you will see what that teapot does. Okay, here's the fun part. See that, guys? That is coffee. Now, we wait about 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay, waiting montage.
Still waiting. Still waiting. Still waiting.
Still waiting. Look, guys,
Okay,
it's starting to fill up a little bit.
Of that. You're going to go to your local freezer.
To your local freezer.
And then you're going to want to grab any creamer. In this case, we're going to be using this one.
And a donut version.
And we're going to use this one. So you want to take this donut one, but shake it up.
Shake the donut one up. Shake it all the way up.
So we don't all stick. So we don't make it sticky and weird. We're going to do the same
with the Cocoa Puff. Yeah.
And now we wait.
Okay, waiting montage. Come on, dude.
Okay. Look over there.
Okay, guys.
Look over that water over there. That is the water boiling.
Ooh, the water
That's
is
what
boiling.
makes it hot.
Wow, look at that, guys.
Cold water filter through here. See, look. Now here's the thing, guys. Your coffee is gonna run low of water. So here's what you want to do. You're gonna want to go fill your water up and set it aside. So when it stops, do it. Colton, stop. Now, guys, view over there, Colton. I am running low on water, so we're gonna add some more.
Go add some more cold water inside.
Now, Colton, show.
She's back up again.
See?
Okay, guys.
And look. Let's move this a little bit. Look. Look, it puts water through it, and then it filters through. And what it transfers to? Into coffee.
Yeah. So another waiting montage.
Colton are legally old enough to drink coffee.
Yeah. I'm not going to tell you our
I've
age.
always wondered, what does this just taste like on its own? I'll give you a review.
Guys, review. What does it taste like on its own? Let's see what he says.
That is way too sweet.
Ooh, try the donut one now. Shake it up, shake it up. Make sure not to chug it up, chug it up.
Dude, drinking one of these a day is going to give you freaking diabetes.
Diabetes, diabetes, diabetes.
That was good. So guys, I'm going to show you what you can do while waiting. So of course, eat some chips, of course.
Yeah, and we'll see you back in a little bit.
Okay guys, when it fills about here, you are done.
Yeah, so you just take it off.
Until it starts making noise.
Till it starts making noise, you keep it on the pot. Ugh, it smells bad, guys.
Not as bad, but once you add some creamers, it tastes really good.
Yeah, it tastes old and disgusting
Okay,
and
guys,
cold.
so
until
bring
you
it up
add
here.
this, guys.
I'm sure you have to take your filter out. So you want to remove this thing.
Remove that
Warning,
thing.
be careful, it's hot.
Pick up your
What?
creamer.
And then
Pick up that
pause
thing.
it, Colton. There we go. There's still some coffee.
Bye. Say bye-bye.
I know, we can do it again.
I know, but bye.
I'll put it back. No, not by yet.
Hey, guys. So, he's going to probably put it back in there for later.
Yep.
Even though it's not supposed to be like that. It's, like, done. I don't know
And
how.
once it's this full,
Was it that full?
shake it over here. Set it down. Now, me and Colton are going to pause the video and we're going to go get some mugs. Okay, guys, so after that, you're going to take this. Do not take the top off. Oh my god, this is really scary.
Yeah, it's scary. He can spill it anywhere.
You want to fill it up.
Fill it up until you can't fill it at a good percentage.
A little bit, yeah. A little bit more. There, now it's time for Colton's.
Yeah. Just to let you know, my YouTube channel will be doing a lot of stuff like this. We'll have to think of good ideas and everything. So this is one of the ideas we thought
So
of.
after that, you want to go get your creamers.
See your creamers. And look, guys.
Hold that.
Yeah, he's gonna pour the creamer. There's. Okay.
And it's gonna turn a little bit cold too.
You also need to get a spoon for you to stir it or something like that. Something.
Colton?
And now we need to get the other creamer. I'm going to get the other creamer.
The Colton are fixing. You can add that one. I just want to pick a long object. I'm using a mixer. Colton, show. And then we're gonna stir it.
Okay, pour a little bit of the creamer in mine. Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna now taste it.
And now. And then, guys, you mix it. You guys mix it. Let's mix it.
I need something fairly big, like this.
You need to mix it. Mine and see how good it tastes. Okay. Amazing.
Oh my god, I just burnt myself.
Yeah, but guys, be careful. You can burn yourself. It's hot. Don't let babies touch. It will burn the baby's fingers.
See you guys later.
Yeah,
You
bye.
better be on your best fucking behavior. That's all I'm gonna say.
Okay. Yeah, we will. Okay, guys. So he's pouring some creamer in his. And now I'm just going to pause the video real quick, guys. Guys, Mario wanted to say something before we go. Okay, guys, like the video and subscribe down below. The button is red, and hit the subscribe button for more fun videos.
Look, it'll turn gray, but don't click it again or else it'll turn red again.
Yeah. So bye. Say bye, Mario. Bye. It's me, Mario. And I say bye. Have a good day, everyone.